Welcome to Claude Code Mastery, the most comprehensive course on building with Claude Code available today. I'm Amjid Ali, and over next several hours, I'm going to take you from a complete beginner to a professional Claude Code user. Whether you are a developer looking to increase your productivity or a business professional wanting to automate workflows, this course is designed for you. Here is what makes this course different. I'm not just going to show you how to use Claude Code. I'm going to show you how to think in terms of agentic AI, how to build real world automations, and how to turn these skills into real value, including income opportunities. Let me give you a quick overview what we'll cover in this course. We'll start with the foundation. We'll learn why agentic AI is different from the traditional automations, how to install and configure Claude Code, and how to understand the core concepts like token, context window, and the claude.md file. Then we will move into building phase. We will learn a WAT framework, which is workflows, automation, agents, and tools. This is the mental model I use for every automation I built. We'll also cover planning, testing, and deployment. After that, we will move into the advanced topics, including skills, subagents, parallel processing, browser automation using Playwright, or even any other tool, and then MCP integrations and a lot more. Finally, we will cover the business side. This is something most courses skip. You will learn how to find clients, price your services, create case studies, and deliver professional work. Now, let me set some expectations here. This is a practical course, yet, I will explain concepts, but we will spend a lot of time building every workflow, in fact. Every module includes hands on demonstration, and every concept is connected to the real world use cases. But of course, I will expect you pause the video and do the practice and come back and understand the concepts in depth. And by the end of this course, you will have Claude Code fully configured and customized. You will have built at least 3 working automation projects, and you will have your own professional Claude.md template. You will understand how to build integrations, and you will have a clear path to monetize these skills. And that's your goal. And that is my goal as well. One more thing before you move forward. I have been working in automation for over 25 years, and I have built thousands of automations across more than 25 business processes. I have seen tools come and go, and I can confidently say Claude Code represents a fundamental shift on how we build software. It's not just another tool, it's a new way of working. So let's get started. In the next video, I will introduce myself and share why I create this course.